Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Ethernet drivers for Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your Start and right-click on it, then just go to Device Manager. From here, you just need to go to your network adapters, and in here, you need to find your LAN. Mine is Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. Yours might be Intel or the same as me. Now, after knowing this, what you have to do is just go to your browser. Now, one thing I realized is that if you don't have your drivers installed, you might not be able to use the internet. So, do the next step using your mobile phone or using any other laptop or PC. Now, what you need to do is just search for Realtek PCIe family controller drivers and just search for it. Then just go to the first website from Realtek. And after the website loads, just scroll down. And in here, you'll find your drivers for your Linux operating system or your Windows operating system. We're using Windows, so we will select the bottom ones. And there are different versions of Windows, for example, 8, XP, 2003, or whatever. We're using Windows 11, so we're gonna use the top ones. Now from here, there is a version which doesn't support the power saving one. And there is a version which does support the power saving one. Download the one whichever you need. I'm just gonna download the first one. And then just wait, click on download file here. And you need to put a CAPTCHA here. Just put the CAPTCHA and click on submit. And the file will start downloading. After that, what you can do is just go ahead and put this file in a pen drive or something. Then just put this file in your PC. And you then need to extract this file and just install this software. And after that, your drivers will be installed. Now the installation process is simply just as any other software. So just do the basic thing and install the software. And basically that is how to download and install Ethernet drivers on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.